Hello. So here I am at MSU in Williams Hall. Yep. I'm just waiting for Acquire to Fire to start. And yeah, you can see I have nothing to do. So I'm just gonna go exploring. Why am I here early? Well, I brought my cousin to see his girlfriend, and they're painting some stuff, and now they're cleaning up.
Are you having fun?
Yeah, I'm having fun. Huh? Yeah. That's why I'm documenting my day.
Oh, okay. What are you saying?
Yeah.
No.
You should see the quality on this thing. It's pretty sweet. Yeah.
Let me see. Dang, that is good, dude.
I know, right? Well, anyways, this is okay. I should have started recording earlier, but this is Friday morning, getting close to the afternoon, and so it's kind of funny. The beginning of the video that I'm doing is about YouTube, basically. And you were painting.
Oh, good job.
What'd you do?
I don't know.
Oh.
That's okay.
Oh crap.
There's light on
Yeah, that'll be fine. At least we do all of them already.
there. No, because you just spilled this with black.
Okay, so I have no idea what I'm going to be doing. Well, not till like 1 or I don't know. Yeah, 1-ish. And then I'm not supposed to be at the Breslin Center till like, I don't know, 4:30, 5 o'clock. Where I'm gonna be trained, which I've been trained for. I mean, this is like my 8th year, my 4th year, volunteering. But I'm pretty sure this year's gonna be fun. I mean, Sanctus Rio, the Afters are playing, and Flame. I have no idea, how he sounds like, but pretty sure he's good. And most of the rapping performances here are good. I think he's a rapper. But one thing I'm looking forward to this weekend is not just the music, but what God has in store for me today, for us, and hopefully it'll be a blast. So.
Tell me,
All right, so it's been like 3 minutes since my last recording, and this is what we're doing now, or what she's doing to him now. And it's all on film too, so. And this is going on YouTube or Facebook.
Oh no!
I'm making a documentary about my weekend, my Acquire to Fire weekend.
So are you gonna like record yourself when you guys drink tonight?
No, we're not drinking. I'm just kidding around with it. I don't drink no more.
Party tonight.
I mean, it's kind of weird, going to a Christian event and then we go out after, having drinks.
I know, right?
Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. Like, no, yeah, I gave drinking up. I promised people, and it's a commitment that I'm making to God. I'm gonna set this on my tripod. If it cooperates, hopefully I don't get paint on there. And the leg's too short. Oh, yeah. So anyways, what did you two plan on doing today?
Whatever.
That's not good. Oh, whatever?
It depends. Well, I gotta go pay my phone bill first.
Yeah, I don't know how that's like.
How are you gonna do that?
Cycle's at 4.
Oh.
So we're gonna go to the bank so I can take out money. We're gonna go to a store.
Yes, well, I think he will be able to volunteer tonight. If you guys want to. Man, you guys are 18. age limit is 17.
Yeah. The problem is that. Wait, you don't have to have like any like license or stuff like that.
I
right?
think you have your ID on you, right?
No.
You don't have an ID?
No.
Any kind of identification?
It's at home.
Didn't your mom ask you before you left if you have your ID on you?
Oh yeah. Yeah, never mind. It's in my bag. It's at the
At the apartment?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know.
Uh-huh.
Maybe I'll just go get it.
Mm.
If you guys want to, or...
You can go for now.
What are you planning on doing all day? Just stay here?
I don't know. Run errands with my sister because she says do stuff to me.
Oh, I guess he can stay with you.
You can go with us or you can go with him. I don't care.
No, I brought him to see you, so... You're stuck with him.
Huh?
You're stuck with him.
It's okay.
That's why I come back.
It's only once. It's only once a month. It's okay.
Yeah. Cause you know, if he stays with me, I'm not too sure if he'll be able to get in. I mean,
Right.
Unless it's in the car.
he's gonna sit in the car for 4 or 5 hours.
Yeah, that's been a while.
Yeah. You know, I'm probably gonna end up shortening this video, this part, but I really enjoy you fixing his nails. I'm gonna have to zoom in on that. Oh, I can't zoom in. What? Oh well. I'll zoom in later. I'll fix it at home. Alright. Okay, so I'm gonna go pick up Kappa. And I'm out of breath because I left the camera battery charging at Williams Hall. So I ran and get it. I'm going back. Really out of breath, out of shape. And I started running again. No, I'm not a big fan of raps.
Okay.
Okay, well, me and Kappa were walking around looking for a place to eat. And we don't know where to eat. Yeah. So, okay, so we're walking around this area.
Grand River.
Grand River. So, okay, so what was that? Wraps? No.
Well, if you don't like wraps, there's really not that much. Okay, what do you feel like? A hamburger or?
I had enough of hamburgers. Let's go to that noodles place.
You wanna go to Noodles? Okay, Noodles.
Okay, this way. All right. Hey. See what fun it is recording stuff? Earlier I was recording my cousin getting his nails done.
Nails done?
Yeah.
Your male cousin?
Yeah, it's my male cousin. Huh. You know, actually, this feels like a nice area. I just don't like driving around here. Oh, okay. So that's Noodles and Company. I wish I could actually zoom with my camera when it's recording. But it's stupid right now. Oh, sorry. Okay, well, we're at Noodles and Company. Yeah, I think so. Okay, we're here. We're waiting for food at Noodles and Company, right? No, it's like, whatever. Ow.
Are you okay?
I'm okay. I'll just hold it up like this. So, still got like 3-4 hours until the show starts. Look, here's our food. Oh, no, that's not our food. She was walking her way. But, you know, this is going online, right?
What?
It's going online.
Why is it going online?
It's gonna go on as Andrew's weekend in Lansing.
Oh wow. I don't know how I feel about that.
Don't worry, I'll cut most of it out. Whatever. Okay, I can't find a good spot to put this, so I'm just gonna go until.
I think this is our food coming up.
What? Our food?
We probably have extra leftover. Still have extra garbage. Yeah.
I'm just gonna let this sit here until our food comes.
Here it is. I had soup. I had salad. I had appetizers. It's good.
Yeah, our food's coming. Okay, that's her food.
Anything else besides salad?
We had a cabbage. Like,
Another cabbage?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Well, they gave her food, but they didn't give me my food.
That's just weird.
It's okay. I'll watch you eat it for a while, and then maybe it might make me want it even more.
You want to try
Never had
some?
it. No. mine should be coming, so you know that's pretty good.
It's so good.
Stop rubbing in my face.
Oh my god. Is it good?
Okay, I think mine's coming out. Is it? Oh yeah.
Did you have the flatbread with yours?
Yes, I did.
Oh, sure. Thank you.
Good day.
Oh, so good.
Alright, well, I'm gonna enjoy this. Yeah, that's a far drop. Hopefully I don't drop my camera. This is Sean, Sherman, and Scott.
Sherman.
It's a Sherman. I just said Sherman.
That's Sherman.
No, I said Sherman. I was about to say Sherman. I was like, crap. So yeah, so who's gonna jump over this thing? And just to let you know, I'm documenting my day.
Are you?
Yeah.
Hello, this is the Sherman.
I'm documenting my day.
Why is that?
My weekend, dude. Why is that?
See my muscles? Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
See my boobies?
We are on the way to look for some kind of store to hang out in.
Oh, hey, take a video of that hot girl. Hey girl. She looks like a guy.
The camera's going too fast. Yeah, we're just enjoying this car ride.
Hey, dude,
look, I just ate there.
Huh?
I just ate there.
Where?
Noodles and Company.
Oh, was it good?
That's pretty good. Or Asian food.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hey, look, there's Asian people.
There are always Asian people walking around. Yeah.
Oh, did you go on Bubble Island?
No, I was gonna. I was thinking about it, but.
Shut up.
Shut up.
It's good. Look at it.
Yeah. So yeah, we're just chilling, looking for somewhere to hang out at. Okay, so we're in this store. I forgot what it's called. This is awesome Asian store. And I don't know, the guys are having fun looking at swords here. Very interesting. Those keyblades up there. Money wasn't an issue. Scott was killed a few times, pulling out the swords.
Yeah, they have layers inside.
Yeah.
Let's see. Hey. I think I like this store better than the one in Great Lakes. Bigger, more room. Has cool stuff. Really like these Death Note bags here. Dragon Ball Z bag. I have no idea what that is. I think that's from that PBS show. There's Hello Kitty. Dude, is that from Bleach?
Yeah.
That's Zangatsu or whatever? Zangi? Is it? Hmm. Dude, Josh would be so jealous.
Did you say we have the Ichigo's Bankai? Did you say Bankai?
Is Bankai form?
Yeah.
You guys have that sword too?
Oh, perfect. Oh, that looks like a gun. See that one?
Oh!
Let's catch.
Too much request.
Oh, in case you don't want to say gun right there. ปัญหาก็นอนก็พอ
Sweet. Is that the gum blade? No, that's
Is it heavy?
It's from Bloody Pass. Other way.
Oh, he's having fun doing that. Have fun. Okay, so we're on the way back to.
We just came from the mall.
Huh?
Came from the mall.
Yeah, we just came from the mall.
Yeah,
like
man.
So we're heading back, and yeah, we're still back in the car. So
We're going to Hot Topics.
the Hot Topic in that little Asian store.
Oh yeah, we
didn't
saw
buy
clouds.
anything.
We saw clouds.
That's pretty nice. I like that Asian store. But anywho, let's see what's out here.
We saw saw Need for Speed, man. You guys missed it.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that hot Asian girl. Oh, shit, I think I know her. Hey, that's Venus.
Is that?
Look like it.
I know I don't.
Yeah.
Wouldn't they be driving? They walk a lot.
She was jogging.
Dude, I just saw that car again. We saw it earlier.
I think this area you're able to like walk all over the place.
Not that far.
Does that make you want to go to MSU now?
Yes, just for the hot girl.
Yeah, you'll fail. You're gonna fail.
Yeah, I'm not that smart.
Let's go to school for girls.
Oh, shoot, the ball's coming in the street.
So look at that, we're getting back into the campus area. Pretty nice area. I think so.
Hey, do you guys know what they're doing with that place?
Shh, I have no idea.
Oh, we gotta go to sushi. Can we get sushi later?
I don't think he has sushi lanes. Do you?
We get a sushi later? Yeah.
Okay, well, I got nothing. So, until whenever I pull out my camera again later.
I forgive.